This video is going to show you how to upload designs to sites similar or well, like Redbubble, and in addition to Redbubble. So I have a Google Doc that I'm going to rename design tags and information instead of Redbubble, because all of this stuff on this document can be used for any design site. So what you're going to see is the background story or description for each design that I'm going to upload online. And you're going to see the tags that need to be included in different designs. So I'm going to show you one example of how to do this, and it's literally the same for every other design. So if you go to Redbubble, my store here, you're going to go on Manage Portfolio, and you will see all of the artwork that I currently have. So we're going to click Add New Work, and you are going to upload artwork from wherever you're going to get it from, whatever page. We need pictures without a watermark. So for this one, I'm only going to upload this third one because it looks the best. I don't really like these square box pictures. It just looks kind of homemade to me. We're going to do number 3, use that. We're going to upload that, and now you have to fill out all of the required pieces. So the title of this is, what did I start calling them? Soul Ripper number 3. Tags. Like we said, there's tags. And so for this one, we are going to include these tags right here. Some of these tags may not apply. So like Roe v. Wade 1973 is not going to apply to this one. And so you don't have to delete it, just don't include it. But feminism and pro-choice, I add those because they're trending right now and it will bring traffic to this. All right, so there we go. We copy and pasted the tags, and you can see all of them right there. The description, same copy and paste. So go to number 3, copy that, paste it. And we want the background to be transparent. And so transparent is 6 zeros. Press enter, and it'll take a second. It'll look like it's still on a white background, but 0 is transparent. And so we're going to just quickly scroll through these products to see if there's anything that doesn't make sense so that we can disable them right now. And so we're going to go back up. That's the end of the road right there for products. So we're going to scroll back up and see if there's anything that we need to change in any way. So let's click on standard print clothing. That's pretty much right up against the maximum area. So I'm just going to move this up just a little bit, and I'm going to see how it looks on other products within the standard print clothing. Fitted t-shirt, v-neck, racer back. All right, baseball sleeve, long sleeve. All right, so these all look pretty okay. I don't like that one, but that's okay because I don't think that you can disable just one thing in there. And we're going to keep it on a black background. So there we go, black. We're going to keep it on the front, so don't touch that. The size of the design is perfectly okay, and we're going to apply those changes. Now we're going to do the same thing with large print, and you're just going to go through these and see how they look. So just minor tweaks with the designs. The media, you can select up to 2. So for digital art, I always choose design and illustration and digital art. I don't have a collection for this, so I'm just going to leave that unchecked. Don't touch that. This is not mature content. And everybody can view it, so don't change that. You have to click the checkbox in order to publish it and save work. So that's going to process. I will show you real quick on TeePublic. I'm going to post the same thing. So, and that's publishing right there on Redbubble. So go to my account, go to upload art. We're going to do the same thing with the same picture. Go here, upload it. You can upload multiple files at once. So that's going to upload. While it's uploading, we can go ahead and fill out the information. So same thing, Soul Ripper number 3. The main tag. Now, these websites may have slightly different boxes and information that you need to include. So the main tag would be, what did I put? Do I have this on here? I don't. So the main tag that I would want to put for this is woman. And the description, same thing. For TeePublic right there on the Google Doc. This is number 3. All right. And same exact description, copy that, paste it here. The only thing with this is it's slightly annoying because with TeePublic, you have to add these a couple at a time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here. I'm going to copy what makes sense to add. Then I'm going to paste. All right, it did not go past illustration artwork, so that's fine. Enter, and there we go. All right, and then we're going to add illustration artwork. Go here. We're going to paste, enter. There we go. Mature content, no. And the background for everything needs to be black. Not the background, but the shirt, the product color needs to be black. So we're going to choose default color, black. For the first item, it makes everything black except for baseball tee. You have to go in and see what that looks like and do black on the main part of the shirt, white sleeves. Now, and we're only going to print on the front. All right, so that's good. And then because of this, it can be on any color really. And if you go down here to product colors, you'll be able to scroll as you see and see how it looks on different colors. Let's just leave it how it is. There's pre-selected colors. Let's just leave it how it is. As you see, it says the best product colors have been selected automatically. So this one's a little easier. All of the products are crammed into a box so that you can kind of get a bird's eye view of what your design looks like on different products. So that's what it looks like on a shirt. We just went over that right here at the top. Stickers look good. Cases, and I think it's too small, so we're going to turn that off. Mugs, that looks interesting. But if it's going to be on a mug, I don't like this. Looks like a chalkboard to me because everything else around it is white. So for this, I would make the background white. So you just click on the color and use the slider tool to make it white. And so if people like that design and they like it on a mug, that's perfectly fine. For this one, I'd make just a little bit smaller. Other than that, that looks good. Wall art, I think the 5/6 is a little better. There we go. Yeah. So landscape, because of it's automatically selected. So we're going to turn that on. Notebooks look weird. It's already off. Pillows kind of look weird. It's already off. Totes, that looks good. Tapestries, okay, let's keep that on. Pins, that looks weird. Magnets, yeah, and masks. I mean, sure, if you want it. After all of those are configured, click the checkbox right here and click publish. If there's anything wrong, it'll pop up at the top. But as you see, that's pretty much what it is. So that is how you upload artwork to different websites such as TeePublic and Redbubble. But as you see, everything is pretty much the same. It's just for different websites, and the tags may be slightly different. But other than that, that's it. So again, if you have any questions, let me know, and that's how you upload designs to websites like that.